हेलो दोस्तों, ये मेरा चैनल है द DSK। आज का जो मैं टॉपिक लेने जा रहा हूँ, अब मैं उन सब बच्चों से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा जो बच्चे इस सीजन में तैयारी कर रहे हैं, who's looking the sponsorship in DNS, BTech or wants to join in a merchant navy. Be with me from today onwards to till August. You will get your sponsorship, and what I am going to telling you, follow as it is. So today's topic which we are going to be take, which is about Eastaway. There is a one company which is just new come up, and the students are taking, and some student are thinking ki what kind of this company and all we should join, not to join and all. So this is one of the very best company which is coming with this in this India, and the last year many of the students are taken by them. It's a name of Eastaway company. Now I'll tell you, they are taking the student in the side of tech side also and from the engine side also. Now I'll tell you some of about the company. In this company, having all ships are container ships. First of all ships are container ships, and more than 50 container ships actually handled by this company. More on that, the minimum, if I talk about the ship which is handled by this company, is around 700 800 TEU, which is a sufficient and good length and sufficient a ship for all the cadet to do their necessary things. So this is about their companies. Now second, if he comes in that, how, like, which are the institute is basically part of this Eastaway company. This is, if you are going to be take the first one, which is in the northern India, there is only one institute, which is IMI Greater Noida, International Maritime Institute Greater Noida, which is part of the recruitment mainly with this Eastaway company. So if you are looking the sponsorship in deck side or looking placement in a engine side, do register today itself with IMI Greater Noida. If you are belonging yourself in South India and all, you can take it the other institute like HIMT. They are also recruiting. If you are near about Mumbai and all, you can try it up with the Ganpat University. So mostly these institute are handling their recruitment part. Now the third and last question, which is very important for the students, like, we had applied, but what kind of process is going to be handled? So I can tell you the process of IMI and the similar process with the other institute also. Eastaway company is not going to take any kind of their own written examination. So what they do, they give us this task to the institute. They are taking their written examination. So there are different methods to take that. Some are taking offline, some are taking online, and then they are taking their own interviews also, and from there taking out the good students which is most likely and eligible for this company. Mostly this company, what looking in the candidate, they are looking a good percentage. That's everybody is looking today's. Everybody wants the student should have a 70% PCM. Not to worry about that. I'll put a one more video where I'll tell you कि 60% के जो बच्चे हैं where they can apply. That I'll put it. So they required 70%. They required less in age also. That age should be lesser than 19 year. Kind of that eligibilities are there. But after this process, which is done by the institute, this pool of students is sent to the Eastaway, and Eastaway is going to be conduct their interview, and 99% these interviews are on web based, means sometime the institute call you in their institute. There also it's on a webcam basis. So things are very good. The questions which are going to be asked in this is, I'll tell you in a separate video, but today's this video I had just kept it. Don't think in this way. If you are looking sponsorship, this Eastaway is a very good option because they are taking less student, but waiting is zero, giving a good amount to the students, and it's a kind of permanent things and very less terms and conditions. Like now you can see in the market, like somebody is putting terms and conditions, you are fail in this subject, they'll cancel your sponsorship. You have done something, you're canceling that. Those things you will not find with this company, but there is a good selection process. So if you are looking, you have to prepare well. If I had left it something, just do me a comment, I'll reply it over there. Thank you, stay connected.